Let's talk about perimeter. Perimeter is the length around an object or a shape. And if you have a rectangle, it's really easy to find the perimeter because that you know if you have two given sides, that this is going to be 4 feet, the same as what's across from it, and this is also going to be the same, which is 6 feet. And then all you do is you just add up the sides. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 10 is 20 feet. Pretty simple. Same thing here. I know if this is a rectangle, that the opposite of this side is going to be the same, 3 inches. And this is going to be the same over here, 10 inches. And if I add those together, 10 plus 3 is 13, plus 10 more is 23, plus 3 more is 26. 26 inches. And if you are given any other shape which you're not quite sure, make sure you add all of the sides. Right here we have an equilateral triangle. I know it's equilateral because each side says 5 feet. So 5 times 3 is 15 feet. Now at this time you can pause the video and try this challenge on your own, or if you're not quite ready yet, you can just go ahead and follow along with me. Right here I have a rectangular shape, however you'll see that it goes inwards down here. And you're given most of the sides, but not all of them. So we have to work together to try and figure out the missing side lengths first, before we can add them together to find the perimeter. So up here I know that this is 20 yards, and this right here is 14 yards. Well, this side is missing right here, but because I know that these are right angles, that this side and this side are going to be equal. So this side over here is going to be 14 yards. And I'm given the length of this right here, which is 5 yards, and the length of this one right here, which is also 5 yards. And I'm missing this middle length, this length on this end, and this length over here. Do you know how we can find the missing lengths? Well, if you guessed or if you observed that these lengths right here are equal to this one on top, you are absolutely correct. Do we need to know which one is which? Not really, because we know that all 3 of them added up together will give us 20 yards. And now I can go ahead and add my sides. So I have this 20 right here, and this 14. I have this 5 and this 5, which equals 10. These 3 lengths right here all equal 20 as well. And my last side over here is 14. And I'm going to add them together. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total perimeter around this shape is 78 yards. And that is a lesson on perimeter.